Good morning. Now we will start with exercise 1.1. The first problem is, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. This is the number line. It starts, here it is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Here it is minus 5 and minus 10. So they have given the temperature of different places in degree Celsius. The first question is, observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, so this is Lahul Spiti. It is here. If it is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So here the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is here. So this is 0, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 degree Celsius. Shimla is straight away 5 degree Celsius. And Ooty is here. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. Then Bengaluru 20, 21, 22. This is 22 degrees Celsius. The next problem is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? So this is 0. This side is, if you go more towards, it is more hottest. This is hottest. If you move from 0, if you move like this, it becomes very hottest. And coldest is, if you move in this side, it becomes very coldest. Okay. Now the question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places? What is the hottest places? Bengaluru. Temperature of Bengaluru is 22 minus, temperature difference means you have to subtract hottest minus coldest. So what is which is the coldest place here? The Lahul Spiti is the coldest place here. What is the temperature there? It is minus 8. So minus 8. Okay. So this is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest. The temperature of the hottest is plus 22 degree Celsius and the temperature of the coldest is minus 8 degree Celsius. Now how to solve this? We already know A minus of minus B is A plus B. Last class we derived how to got this. Now that is equal to 22 plus 8, that is equal to 30. Therefore, the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. The next question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay. Here Lahul Spiti is minus 8 minus Srinagar. What is the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree. Minus 2. Okay. The same thing, A minus of minus B can be written as A plus B. So minus 8 minus into minus plus 2. Okay, A minus of minus B is A plus B. Now you see here there are two integers, one is positive, another one is negative. When the sign are different, you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So what is 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 is the greater number. So this is the answer. The temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is minus 6 degree Celsius. And the last problem in this question is, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Let me solve one by one. First you take the temperature of Srinagar and Simla together. So you have to add this, if it is together, you have to add both the temperatures. So temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree. So minus 2 plus, what is the temperature of Shimla? Temperature of Shimla is 5. Temperature of Shimla is plus 5 and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2. Now you are adding this, that is minus 2 plus 5. When the symbol are different, you have to subtract. So 5 minus 2, 3, the greater number is 5. So I can write in sentence, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. What is that? -2 plus 5, that is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we have to check what is the temperature of Shimla. Temperature of Shimla is 5 degree. Okay, out of this both 3, 5, which is greater? 5 is greater. Can we say the temperature of, so this is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. So the first statement is true. We can say that. For first I can say yes. Okay, we can say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Okay, you can write this. What is the second case? Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Now we have to compare this 3. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. You have to compare with temperature of Srinagar. Okay, what is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is 3 degree. What is the temperature of Srinagar is -2. Okay, temperature of Srinagar is -2. Now here which is greater? When you compare a positive and negative number, always the positive number is always greater. Okay, so the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. So the second statement is, we can't say that. No. Okay. The next problem is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? That was an exam, and positive marks are given for correct answers. Okay, if answers are wrong, they are reducing the mark. That means negative marks are given for incorrect answers. They have 5 rounds. They have given marks of what he scored in each of the round. Now we have to find what is the total. In this problem, we can use with number line, and without also we can solve. First, with using number line we will solve. His marks are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. Okay, now we have to add these marks. Okay, I will start from this 25. 25 is here. Okay, so you have to add a negative integer. So to add a negative integer, that is 5. So from here I am moving to left. So from here I am moving here left. So up to here it is 20. Then again a -10. So 20 is positive. From here again -10. Now I am here at 10. Again to that I am adding +15. +15 means now we are adding a positive integer. Before you are adding a negative integer, so we moved left. Now you are adding a positive integer 15. So from here you have to add a positive integer 15. So 5, 10, 15. From here you have to move here. Now I am at 25. 25 plus 10. So 25 plus 10 is 35. Okay, so the answer for this is 35. Another way of solving is without using number line. First we will solve one by one. What is 25 plus -5? So here you are seeing what is a plus of minus b is a minus b. That is 25 minus 5. When the symbols are different, you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So this is 20. Okay. So to the 20 you are adding -10. So again it is 20 minus 10. This is 10 here now. To the 10 I am adding 15, that is 10 plus 15 is 25. To this 25 I am adding another 10, that is 35. Okay, therefore anyway you can either solve using a number line or by this way also you can solve. What is his total at the end? Total marks equal to 35. Okay. Next problem is, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Okay, first question is temperature on Tuesday. Temperature on Tuesday. So Monday it was minus 5. Monday it was minus 5 and it dropped by 2 degree. What is drop means? Drop means it is decreased. Okay, decreased by 2 degrees. So you have to subtract minus 2. On Monday it was minus 5. On Tuesday from minus 5 it was dropped by 2 degree. So minus 5 minus 2. Now when the symbols are same you have to add. What is 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, so it is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday is minus 7. Now on Wednesday it was rose by 4 degree. So temperature on Wednesday. So Tuesday it was minus 7. From minus 7 it rose means it is increase. So you have to add plus 4. When the symbols are different you have to subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and a greater number is 7. So it is minus 3 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is way you have to solve. Next problem. A plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So this is at 0. This is the sea level. Okay, there is a flight running or flying here which is 500 meter above. From here to here the distance is 5000 meter. From here to here the distance is 1200 meter. Okay, so they have asked what is the vertical distance between them. So you have to find what is the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine. It's very simple. Vertical distance equal to from here to here it is 5000 plus 1200. So what you have to find is the total distance from here to here. So you have to add this 5000 plus this 1200, that is equal to 6200 meter. This is the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine. Next problem is, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 from it next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's amount after the withdrawal. So amount deposited is rupees 2000 and withdraws 1642. So in a bank he deposited 2000 and withdraw means he take the amount back, that is 1642. If the withdrawal of amount is represented by negative number, how you will represent the amount deposited? So amount deposited is represented by a positive integer. Okay, if withdrawal is, if you take amount, it is represented by a negative integer. So amount deposited is represented by a positive integer. Find the balance. What is the balance? So first he deposited amount of 2000. Okay, he withdraws 1642 from it. So just you have to subtract this 358. This is the balance in his account after withdrawal. Okay. Next problem is, Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? So, Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to point B. Let me make point, this is point A and this is point B. Okay, so from here to here, from point A to point B, that is how much kilometer? 20 km. So traveling in this direction from point A to point B, this is east. From B, that is from here, she moves 30 km towards the west. So if this is east, what is west is opposite to that, west. From here she moves 30 km. So again 20, another one 30. Okay. So total from here to here is 30 km. From here to here is 10 km. So this is the final position. Okay. So from B she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. 30 means first 20, another one 30. Now she is in here. If the distance towards the east is represented by positive integer, so distance if she moves towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? Is represented by negative integer. So distance travelled towards west is represented by a negative integer. Okay. The next question is, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? This is her final position and this is A. So what is that? 10 kilometers final position. What is the final position? Which is 10 kilometer towards which direction? Towards west from A. Okay. 10 kilometer towards west from A, that is equal to, if it is travelling towards west, that should be represented by a negative integer. So it is minus 10 kilometer. Okay. Next problem is, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check of the following, which of the following is a magic square. Now we have to check. Okay, first take this magic square. We have to add each row and column and also the diagonal whether they have the same sum. So you will start like this: 5 minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 1 minus 4 here, first row, and the second row is minus 5 minus 2 plus 7, and the third is 0 plus 3 minus 3. Okay. Now the first column, 5 minus 5 plus 0, minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, minus 4 plus 7 minus 3, and this diagonal, this is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. This diagonal is 5 minus 2 minus 3, and this diagonal is minus 4 minus 2 plus 0. Now we have to solve this and we have to check whether they all have the same sum. Let me check what is 5 minus 1 is. 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 4 0. Okay, minus 5 minus 2. When the symbols are same, you have to add. So minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7, this together is minus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Now you see minus 1 minus 2. When the symbols are same, you have to add. Together it becomes minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Here minus 4 plus 7. Symbols are different, so you have to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. The greater number is plus. So it is plus 3. So plus 3 minus 3, 0. Here it is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6. So only one thing, this diagonal is having minus 6 as the sum. So this is not a magic square. Okay, let me check here. 1 minus 10 plus 0, minus 4 minus 3 minus 2, minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. So this is row wise. Next column wise, 1 minus 4 minus 6, minus 10 minus 3 plus 4, 0 minus 2 minus 7. And then diagonal wise, 1 minus 3 minus 7, this is 0 minus 3 minus 6. Okay, what is 1 minus 10? So 10 minus 1 is 9 and it is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 0 is minus 9. So here you can see that all the symbols are same. So you can add 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here it is minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 2 is minus 9. So this is minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. So 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Minus 10 minus 3. So minus 10 minus 3 is minus 13. Okay. Minus 13 plus 4. What is 13 minus 4 is 9. Greater number is 13. So it is minus 9. Here 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7 minus 9. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So greater number is 3. So I am giving a negative sign. Minus 2 minus 7 minus 9. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 6 again minus 9. So you can see all are having minus 9 as a sum. So this is a magic square. This is a magic square. The next problem is verify a minus of minus b equal to a plus b. It's very simple. First we will do a minus of minus b. So we start with a plus b, that is equal to 21 plus 18, that is equal to 39. So now a minus of minus b is a is 21 minus of minus 18. Again this a minus of minus b is 21 plus 18, that is equal to 39. Therefore a minus of minus b, that is equal to a plus b. Okay. The next is a is 118 and b is 125. So a plus b equal to 243. So a minus of minus b equal to 118 minus of minus 125, that is equal to 118 plus 125, that is also 243, which is same as a plus b. The next is A equal to 75 and B equal to 84. Okay, A plus B equal to 75 plus 84, that is equal to 159. A minus of minus B equal to 75 minus of minus 84, that is 75 plus 84, that is equal to 159. Here A plus B equal to 28 plus 11, that is equal to 39. A minus of minus B equal to 28 minus of minus 11, 28 plus 11, that is equal to 39. This problem, if you want to solve showing number line also, you can do. The next problem is, you have to put the greater number greater than or less than or equal to symbol. Here it is minus 8 plus of minus 4. You will solve one by one. This is minus 8. So we know that A plus of minus B is A minus B. So plus of minus 4 is minus 4. So minus 8 minus 4. When the symbols are same, you have to add. So this is minus 12. You have to give the greater number sign. What is here is, this is A minus of minus B is A plus B. So it is minus 8 plus 4. So when the symbols are different, you have to subtract. So it is minus 2. Now we have to check minus 12 and minus 2. Which is greater, which is smaller. So on a number line, we know that if this is a number line, 0 will be here, minus 2 will be here, and minus 2 will somewhere here. Okay, the value of the number will be in this towards, when it is moved towards right, it is increasing. So minus 2 is greater. So this side is greater. One easy way to do this is, first you remove the symbol, then check which is greater. If you put a symbol, then it will be opposite to that. Okay, if you check for 2 and 12, if it is 2 and 12, which is greater? So when the same thing, when it becomes minus 12 and minus 2, that will be opposite to that of this. Okay, the next is minus 3 plus 7. What is minus 3 plus 7 is 4. The greater number is plus. So minus 19. 4 minus 19 is minus 15. Symbols are different, subtract and put the greater number sign. Here what is 15 minus 8? You have to subtract. 15 minus 8 is 7. The greater number is plus. And then what is this plus of minus is minus 9. So it is minus 2. Okay. So minus 15, if it is 2 and 15, 15 is greater. So minus 15 is less. The next problem is 23 minus 41. 23 minus 41, you have to subtract, and 41 is the biggest number. So that becomes minus 18 plus 11. So again you have to subtract, and 18 is the biggest number. So 18 minus 11 is 7 and minus here. And now what is 23 minus 41 is minus 18 minus 11. Here the symbols are same. You have to add. So that becomes minus 39. So 39 is the biggest if it is positive. So it is minus 7 minus 39. So this is smaller. Okay. The next problem is, here it is 39 minus 24. This plus into minus, minus 24 minus 15. Okay. 39 minus 24 is, you have to subtract with a positive. Answer should be positive. 15. 39 is the biggest. So 15 is positive. Then again one minus 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Here it is 36 plus into minus, minus 52. This minus into minus becomes plus 36. Okay. 36 minus 52 is, subtract 16. So 52 is the biggest number, give a negative sign, plus 36. Okay, this 36 comes here. Again you have to subtract 20, and the biggest number is 36. So put a positive sign here. So 0 and 20, 20 is the biggest number. And the last problem is minus 231 plus 79. Now we have to subtract, and 231 is the biggest number, so it is minus 152 plus 51. Again this is negative, this is positive, so we have to subtract. This is 101 minus. Here also you have to subtract, that becomes minus 240 plus 81. Again it becomes minus 159. Subtract and give the greater number sign. So if it is if you remove the sign and see, 159 is the biggest. So if you put this sign, negative sign, that becomes the smallest. So up to now we have solved problem 9, and then we are going to see the 10th problem. Last problem is, a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. So this is the steps, and here it is the first step, and here it is the 9th step. This is the water level, and monkey is on the, here you can see a monkey is sitting on the topmost step. So the monkey is sitting here. The question is, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps 2 steps up. So from here he is jumping 3 steps down. So this is from 1, 2, 3. So he is jumping from here to here. That is, in a single jump he is moving 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps. After reaching here, he is going 2 steps back. So here to the second step. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay, so he has to reach this 9th step. The question is, how much times he is jumping front and back to reach the 9th step? We will solve number of jumps. Then here you will do steps. So first jump. So this is the first jump. He is from 1. He is in the step number 1. He jumps 3 steps down. So from here 3 steps down plus 3, which gives, so now he is in the 4th step. After the first jump, the monkey is in the 4th step. Now what is the second jump? From the 4th step, he jumped 3 steps down, okay, and then jumps back 2 steps. So from the 4th step, jumps back. So it is minus 2. That is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. What is the third jump? So from the second, so this will go here, and from the second step again plus 3, 5. What is the fourth jump? So now 3 steps down, again 2 steps back. So this 5 minus 2, that is equal to, when the symbols are different, subtract, the greater number sign is positive. So the 5th jump, 3, this 3 will come here, plus 3 steps down. 3 plus 3 is 6. From the 6th step, 2 jumps back. So minus 2, that is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. So from the 4th step plus 3, that is equal to 7. Again from the 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. 9th step, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, now 10th. From the 8th step it is minus 2, that is 6. And the 11th jump, this 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Okay, so now at the 11th jump, the monkey is reaching the 9th step. You can see here plus 3 minus 2 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 and plus 3. What does it mean? You are adding, for jump step down, you are adding doing plus 3 and step up back. Since it is back, you are minus 2. So both the things you are doing, and we are finding in how many jumps will he reach the water level. So water level is at the 9th step. So you see here, to reach the 9th step, the number of jumps needed is 11. Therefore, the answer is 11. 11 jumps. Okay. The next is, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? Okay, now the monkey is in the 9th jump. This is the number of jumps, and here we can steps. Now, whenever is step up, okay, whenever is step up is negative, step down is positive. Whenever is step up, you have to subtract. Whenever is step down, you have to add. Now, this is the first jump. The monkey is in the 9th step. Okay. For he jumps 4 step up. 4 step up means minus 4. From the 9th step, it is a step. It is going on 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. From the 9th step, he jumps 4 step up. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. From here to here. Whenever step up, you have to subtract, and step down, you have to add. This is what we did in the first case also. The same thing you have to follow. So 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. That is the first jump. Second jump, from this 5, jumps back 2 steps down. Whenever it steps down, add plus 2, that is 7. The third is 7 minus 4. Okay, 7 minus 4 is subtract 3. Then the fourth is 3 minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then the fifth jump, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So it reaches the first step in the fifth jump. Therefore, monkey reach the top step in the fifth jump. Okay, you do minus 4 and plus 2 repeatedly to find at which jump will he reach the top step. The last problem is, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and number of steps moved up is represented by positive integers, represent his move in part 1 and part 2 by complete the following. That is, if you see in part 1, the monkey jumps 3 steps down and 2 steps back. So minus 3 plus 2. The question is, now we have to do minus 3 and plus 2 repeatedly till you get the answer as minus 8. We will start with minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is, when the symbols are different, subtract 3 minus 2, 1 with a greater number sign minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 3. To this minus 1, again minus 3. That is equal to minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 and minus. So minus 3 to this minus 4, again plus 2. That is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5 here. 3 plus 2, in a symbol you have to put a negative sign. So minus 3 again plus 2, that is equal to minus 3. Again minus 3, that is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 plus 2, so minus 3 equal to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 2, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3 equal to minus 8. So you have to do minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 repeatedly till you are getting minus 8. So, now what is the answer? Minus 3. So, this is the first minus 3 plus 2. So, again on minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. Okay. If you do this, you will get minus 8. The next problem is same thing, that is plus 4 and minus 2. You have to add plus 4 and minus 2 repeatedly till you are getting 8. So, we will start like this. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, 4 minus 2 again plus 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 4 minus 2 plus 4 again minus 2. So, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 again plus 4, that is equal to 8. So, answer is first this 4, you should start from this 4, 4 minus 2 again plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 8. This is the sequence. The last question asked is, if minus 8 is represented by going down by 8 steps, what is plus 8? So, plus 8 is going up by 8 steps. Okay. After watching this video, solve all the problems by yourself. By this we are completing exercise 1.1. From next class we will start with the next exercise. Thank you.